Hello everyone, my name is Vilmar Nepomuceno and I'll present the paper entitled Avoiding Plagiarism in Systematic Literature Reviews, an Update Concern. In the recent years, we had an explosion of SLRs in software engineering. But one point that's not addressed is the possibility of commit plagiarism when conduct SLRs, especially when we're dealing with SLR maintenance activities. In this research, we have two research questions. The first one, can SLR maintenance lead to plagiarism issues? And the second one is, how can plagiarism issues be avoided during SLR maintenance? In this research, we do not focus on plagiarism problems in the primary studies, just in the SLRs. In this research, we conduct a survey and semi-structured interviews where we asked for experts in conducting SLRs about possible plagiarism problems in SLRs and SLR maintenance activities. And also, we conduct a comparison between SLR updates and their original SLRs. This figure is the result of the comparison between the SLR updates and their original SLRs. The comparison was made using the CopySpider tool, and the limit presented here, the 3%, is used by the tool for indicate possible plagiarism problems. And as results, we can see that from the 22 studies compared, 8 do not present plagiarism problems, are the blue points, and 14 presented the red points. In this table, we present a deeper analysis in the CopySpider report. We investigate the sessions that present some plagiarism problems, and here we have 7 sessions with the respectivity values. So in the introduction, we have 6 papers with some indication. For the section related work, just 1 paper with some indication of plagiarism problems, and 12 papers in the method, 4 in the results, 3 in the discussion, 2 in conclusion, 13 in reference. So in the 12 papers, the section method presents some problem indication. What is expected? Do the reuse of research questions, inclusion-exclusion criteria, search string, and other artifacts, other SLR artifacts. And the reference with 13 is also expected because the update is in the same domain of the old one. This value for reference could also explain some red points here near the 3%, because the tool just run a test comparison between the papers. For the conclusions, for the RQ1, we have first, there is a higher possibility of committing plagiarism without the proper care. And the second one is that there are characteristics in SLR's maintenance such as artifacts, data, and results reuse, which can lead us to commit plagiarism. For the second research question, we can see a set of tips to avoid plagiarism issues. The first one is disclosure upfront if the work is an SLR maintenance. Uh, the author claim explain the new primary studies added to original study, and clear state new research questions and what is the impact on the final data vision. Just explain the final data vision is the last impression we have about the findings retrieved in SLR conduction. And when we are conducting a SLR maintenance activity, maybe this vision about the SLR can change. And the other SLR must be overlapped for the new one. Another point is clear state all changes made to original SLR artifacts. Clear expose changes in the final data vision, making clear difference with previous vision, and whether new vision produced should replace original vision. Another point is clear indicates already presented ideas using the previous work, using reference or quotes, avoiding self-plagiarism. And the last one is using a plagiarism detection to compare the new SLR with the old one. Then you can check the overlapped content and adjust when possible. And finally, I'll give to you this question for a possible discussion, for a suggestion to discussion. SLR plagiarism is a real problem or not? Okay, so thank you for your time, and I'm ready for the questions. Thank you.